Hello everybody, hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm changing the pulley wheels on my derailleur on my bike. My pulley wheels, or jockey wheels if you prefer, it's been getting more and more worn. I've noticed on the derailleur that they're becoming like shark's teeth. I'll show you. If you look here, particularly with this bottom derailleur, it's got little tiny teeth. You just see them sticking out there. Your fingers just point at them. I'll show you probably when I take it off. But there should be chunky teeth. They should be like the teeth on the new ones. You can see the difference. You can see how they squared off the teeth on this one, and on here you just see there, I'm just pointing at one there, hopefully the camera focus, very pointy, and it should be squared off. And the top one's not too bad. There's the top one, but that's getting a bit pointy now as well. Again, if you look at a new one, you can see the difference. You know, they're just becoming to the point where they're just not going to engage in the chain properly, and you're going to suffer with the working of the derailleur. So I'm going to do that now. Something over. I thought I'd video it and show you how I do it, just in case anybody else wants to do the same thing. It shouldn't be a huge job, shouldn't take too long. Just a couple of bolts. There's one here and obviously one on the other side here. Just needs to remove and then these put in place. I'm actually using my torque wrench that I got on my Canyon bike. It's the best little torque wrench I've got at the moment, so I'm going to use that. Obviously not lose this bolt because I need it to go into the next jockey wheel or pulley wheel. So that's a little bolt out there, and probably want to put a little bit of grease on here as well when I put it back in, so I'll keep that bolt safe. And then we should be able to just pull out the wheel. As you can see there, let's drop the chain down. I'll just give that a wipe. And you can see now the state it's in. Apart from this dirt, of course. I do clean this bike, believe it or not, but it just gets dirty so quick afterwards. You can see there, if I get the new ones, you can see the difference. So that's how they should look like, and that's how this one looks like. The teeth have just turned like points. So it's well past the time of changing over. I'll have to take the top one out as well, but I'll do one at a time. I'll put this one in first. So of course I'm going to feed this back into the chain. I thought actually I had a tub of grease, but I don't, so I'm going to use some spray lithium grease on the bolt. You don't have to put the grease on, but it's just a good idea to put a little bit of grease on. And like I say, a dab of grease would be better on the bolt, but I don't have any, so hence why I've used this spray grease. I like the excess stuff actually. Got grease everywhere. And this does need to be torqued up. In my case, for my gears here, it is about 3 Newton meters of torque. So not a lot, 3. That's it, 3. That's the first one done, and now I'll do the top one. So this one, I do apologise about the cockerel. So we're living in the countryside. So this one is taken off from behind. And that's it there. And this one, as I saw you before, it's still bad, but it's not as bad as the other one. Now, to be fair, I think the derailleur should have probably been cleaned, thoroughly washed before I did this, but I think it was going to rain, so that's why I haven't done it for. But if you've got a derailleur like this, give it a clean before you do this. So you can see there's the new pulley wheel on the bottom, or jockey wheel, and I've just torqued that up there. That's it. It's done, and as you can see, it spins lovely and free. Look at that, fantastic. I think I'm going to give this drill a bit of a clean down now. So as you can see, it's all done now and put back together. There's the new cog there, and the other cog's just on the back of there, and I've just been giving it a bit of a clean really to tidy up a bit, because it was in such a state. So I'll put the wheel back on now, and that's it. Quite a simple job, didn't take very long, about 15-20 minutes, something like that. So if your teeth on your jockey wheel or your pulley wheels on your derailleur are starting to look like that, hopefully the camera will focus, with little points like that, it is time to change them. It's not a big job, it's not very complicated, so I hope that just give you a little bit of help there, a little bit of guidance. And yeah, so okay, thanks for watching as always, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. See you later, bye bye.